Hello everyone, welcome to another session of Schneider Electric PLC training tutorials where you will learn Schneider Electric PLC programming. This is a continuation of our Schneider Electric PLC programming course. Let's see what we shall cover in this presentation. In this presentation, we are going to learn how we can create our own custom data block or our own custom derived function block and use it in another program. So this is a function block or a derived function block that we created in our last tutorial when we saw how to create and use derived function blocks. So this is a function block that we created. We are now going to see how we are going to save this as a custom library where we can use across different projects. So to do that, we are now going to open our software. So this is a application that we created in our last tutorial. We will now transfer it to the custom library and use it across this blank project. So this is a blank project. It's another project where we are going to use that custom function block. So to do so, to transfer it to the library, we are going to go to the function blocks. So here, this is a function block. This is the name of the function block, Moto derived function block. So to put it in the custom library, I will right click on it and then I will take put in library. Okay, now so to put this as a custom library, we are now going to right click on it and take put in library. Then we are going to choose the custom library, custom family, and we'll take OK. So to see this custom function block, we are going to go to the tool tab, and then we go to options, then we go to path. So this is a path, okay, where we have the custom library. And if I access this path, then we are going to notice that the custom path has been opened for us. So I can access it, go to my custom family. So this is the function block. Okay, so this is another block which has been added. So this is a block that we just added. So what we are now going to do is we will now save this project. We are going to close it and open another project. So take note of the function block name. Take note of the function block name, which is Moto DFB. So I will start a new project. So I will just move straight to new section. I will work with ladder logic. Here I will just call it custom. It's a custom DB. Okay. So now to bring that function block into this project, I'll go to my function block library and I'm going to access the custom library. So these are function blocks which I've already placed in the library, and this is the one we just placed. So I can drag it to this project. Okay, and then I use it like any other function block. Alright. Okay, so this is how you can make your own custom function block library in Unity Pro. So I hope that this was informative enough. I hope that this was comprehensive enough. Okay, so you can put as many libraries as you want and use it across your different PLC applications, which is going to save you a lot of time and effort. Alright, so let's go back to our presentation. Alright, so this brings us to the end of this presentation. So congratulations, you have now learned how to copy Unity Pro custom derived function block to another project. Okay, and in the next lesson, we are going to see how we can handle PLC analog inputs and outputs. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. If you didn't understand anything in this video, please do well to drop it in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.